Yes, that is Brit Pinay. That is my job, guys. I'm a live streamer, vlogger. So, ganyan ang ginagawa natin araw-araw. Marami tayong nami-meet ng mga people sa ating TikTok, sa ating YouTube channel. So, marami nanonood sa atin each day. So, thank you everyone. Thank you for watching my mini concert daily. So, salamat talaga for being there. Once again, this is Brit Pinay from the Philippines. Brit Pinay Vlog PH. Please watch po sa aking mga upload na mga videos. And of course, ang ating mini concert, you can watch me daily at 5 p.m. Philippine time. So, yun po ang oras ni Brit Pinay. 5 p.m. Philippine time, Monday through Saturday. So, ang Sunday is day off naman natin yan. Sunday is a family day, hindi ba? Salamat. I love you all. Thank you sa support.